my name's Melody with Build Curious Studios, and thank you so much for having me down to the ++ headquarters. So, today we are going to use our awesome 2D rocket ship to talk about surface area and air resistance and friction. So friction doesn't only happen where we can see it, like whenever we're connecting ++ blocks together. Friction is a big part, is like arguably the only thing that causes items to fall at different speeds. Whether it weighs a pound or an ounce, it's going to fall at the exact same rate as gravity affects it. The thing that makes the feather fall so much more slowly than something equally weighted is the air resistance, is the friction that it encounters as it is falling through the atmosphere that we have here. So today we're going to take the exact same number of pieces for our two different rocket ships here. We're gonna throw one off the roof completely flat, see how long it takes to land. We're gonna throw another one off the roof, but in order to see how the friction of the air might affect our pieces in a different design, we're gonna break one of these down and make it into as compact a design as we can. One of my favorite compact designs are some nesting squares, concentric squares that we'll make with a bunch of parallel connections. Each piece of ++ is exactly the same shape and size as the others. Any design, regardless of the colors or the size, will weigh the same because it's got the same number of blocks. Now we've got our rocket, 500 pieces divided up in this lovely, wonderfully tactile pile of blocks. We're gonna start making some parallel connections. Our innermost segment of our quadrilateral we're about to make is gonna be 4 pieces of ++. So when you fold those, that is 1 ++ per side. It is the smallest 4-sided box that we can make with our parallel connections, 4 pieces of ++ together like that. Oh yeah, look at that. There is theoretically the same pieces in 2 different formats. And so theoretically, gravity will treat both of these exactly the same. The air will not. And hopefully that is what we will see the difference in how long it takes these to go from the roof of the building to the ground. Alrighty, Jasmine. I think I'm ready when you are with our 2D 500-piece rocket ship. See how well it flies from the top of the ++ USA headquarters. 3, 2, 1. Nice! We now have our condensed 3D nested concentric square design here. And in contrast to our awesome rocket ship made of the exact same pieces, 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for having me down here, ++ USA. The 2-dimensional sheet of ++ kind of caught the air and wafted its way down, took a little bit longer, was able to better defy gravity. Then the exact same number of pieces, nice and compact, all of that same mass is just distributed differently, and so it fell faster. And since you have less surface area of blocks connecting to other blocks in the 3D than you do in the nice big 2D sheet, it exploded! All the fun things that you can do with ++.